Hey traders, so today we're going to be diving into some live trades. We're going to be uncovering some strategies like the moving average crossover strategy, the support resistance strategy, along with the momentum strategy. So we're going to be going through these three different types of strategies today, as usual, and we're going to be seeing if we can profit. So let's dive right in. So here we're going to be doing some trades. We're going to be selling. This is a crossover right here. So we're going to see if this crossover is successful. So see how this plays out. Okay, downwards. And there we go. First win of the day. That's great. Let's go to Ethereum. Here is also downwards momentum. Going to be seeing where to sell. There we go. Other win of the day. So the second win of the day, that's great. That's good that we're in the green. So we're gonna trade with house money, let's say. So let's lower this amount to $500. 500. And let's go to BNB. Too big there, Litecoin. There's a lot of downward momentum here. It'll likely bounce back up though. Okay. Do that right here. It's $500. Trade with house money, basically. So the rationale behind this is because it's around this level right here, that it'll likely go up, but it doesn't seem to be going up, so that's okay. Good that we put a little bit less money in that, so that's fine. Let's go to Ripple. A little bit too volatile for my taste. Avalanche. Avalanche does have something, perhaps, promising. It's going downwards, so I might take advantage of the downwards momentum. Okay, there we go. So just cross over right there. Let's see. So we made that money back. So from that lost trade. So now we're 3 trades that are wins and 1 trade that is a loss. And the 1 trade that is a loss is a lot lower. It's a lot less, right? Cardano, let's see right here, actually buying. Seems to be going upwards. This is a crossover right here. Or not. Let me see. Okay. This is a little bit unusual. So we did the crossover, but it's not going up. It might be going up. It might just be the wrong timeline, right? So it might be going up soon, but we just didn't get the right timing. We're gonna try to do it another time, actually. Let's see if this goes up this time. So there we go. It was just a little bit of a wrong timing just now. So it went back up. So it's great to see. Let's go to Polygon now. Let's just do a few more trades right here. So Solana, actually, it's going downwards here. See here. Now it's taking a turn up, so it probably won't be a successful trade, but let's see how this plays out. Okay. As I said, it's not a successful trade, so it was very volatile. So as you can see, it was downturning, then it went up very suddenly, and then now it's downturning again. So it's just a little bit too volatile for my taste. Sometimes I get into these extra volatile trades. So we could potentially buy once it goes down a little bit. And there we go. That's a successful trade. So I think we're going to be stopping that for today's trading session. So we made some pretty decent profits right here. And as you know, not all trades are wins. If a trader is showing you that all his trades are wins, he's probably, gaming the system in some way and unethically trading. So he's probably showing you fake trades, in other words. So here are just authentic trades, real trades on Pocket Option right here. And if you want 50% off your first deposit on Pocket Option, feel free to go to BeCoin.net and we offer 50% off your first deposit on Pocket Option or Quotex. And it's just a really sweet way to trade with a little bit of free money, right? So happy trading, and see you in the next one.